Hello guys, welcome to this new video. In this new video, we will discuss about interview questions related to WordPress. As we know that we have completed the WordPress series, we have completed the basic WordPress series. In that basic WordPress series, we have learned how to install WordPress, what is CMS, how to install it on local machine using local host, what is XAMPP, and how to use plugins, how to use theme, how to create pages, how to create posts, how to manage the comment section, how to do settings in WordPress at all. Now, as we have prepared for WordPress, now the next step is once you learn WordPress, we will go for the interview round. Okay. Once you go to the interview round, there are typically some questions that the interviewer may ask. Let me tell you here that the WordPress is a vast concept. WordPress is a vast concept. In this vast concept, it is very difficult to judge. It is very difficult to judge what question you may get asked. Okay, because it is a very vast concept. Still, there are some common questions that you should learn, you should understand, and you should be prepared so that the maximum portion of the interview question will come from. Okay, so in this video, I will guide you 40, how much 40 interview questions related to WordPress. I will share this screen right now and quickly I will guide you I will tell you about the 40 interview questions related to WordPress development. Okay, so now as you can see that my screen share is on. Now you are, let me open my notepad. I have prepared it already. The first question is, what is WordPress? Okay, the first question is, what is WordPress? So this is an interview questions. Like first you will come to know once you reach to the interviewer, he may or she may ask, what is WordPress? If you answer this properly, then he or she may get to ask more. Okay, if you don't answer what is WordPress, then you will not get selected at all. Okay, the next part is list of some feature of WordPress. What all features are there in WordPress? You need to list it out. Okay, then what is the disadvantage of WordPress? We are learning WordPress, but still there are some disadvantage of WordPress as well. So what are the disadvantage of WordPress? Coming to the next part, what is the advantage of WordPress? What is the advantage of using WordPress? The next question is, if you want to note down all the questions, you can note it down, or else you can repeat this video again and again to learn all these WordPress interview questions. Next, the different type of gadget present in WordPress. How many types of gadget present in WordPress, and sort them down or explain them. So these are the interviewer questions you may get asked by the interview. Okay, coming to the next part. Sixth number, use of quick draft section in dashboard. There is, if you open the dashboard of WordPress, you will see a quick draft section. So what is the use of that quick draft section? Okay, what is the use of that quick draft section? The next one is use of WordPress news in WordPress dashboard. Again, if you open a WordPress dashboard, you will find a section called WordPress news. What does it mean? Why it is there? What extra information WordPress news in the dashboard gives us? The next part, the eighth part, is what is at a glance in WP dashboard. WordPress, again in WordPress dashboard, what is WP glance? There is a section called WP glance. What is that? What is the benefit of that? Why and what information it is providing to user? Coming to the next part, the ninth part, what is activity widget? What is widget? What is activity widget? Coming to the next part, 10th part, use of general setting in WordPress. On class 2 or 3, I have explained you the settings. Inside settings, there is a option called general setting. So why we went to general setting? What changes we made? What is the use of that general setting in WordPress environment? Okay, coming to the 11th part, in the 11th part, 11th question, what is WP writing setting? What is WordPress writing setting? So you have to understand that all the WordPress I have written it as WP, okay, as a short form. What is WordPress writing setting? Coming to the next part, what is WordPress reading setting? First is writing setting. What is writing setting? Second is what is reading setting? Then, what is the use of syndication feed to show the most recent field in reading setting? In WordPress reading setting, what is the use of syndication feed to show the most recent field in WP or WordPress reading settings? Coming to the 14th part, what is discussion setting? In the settings tab, you will find a subsetting called discussion. What is that? Huh? The next 15th one is use of media settings. What is the setting related to media? Again, if you go to settings, there will be a sub menu, subsetting that will call media settings. What is that? Huh? For what purpose it is there? Going to the next part, 16th part. What is permalink setting? Again, inside the setting, there will be a sub menu called permalink. What is that? Why do we change that initially? What is the purpose of that permalink? If we change the permalink, what will happen? Okay. Then the next one is from plugin department. What is plugin settings? What is plugin settings? Coming to the 18th part, category in WordPress. What is the category in WordPress? What benefit it gives? What is the reason behind users are using category? Okay. Coming to the 19th part, what is post in WordPress? What is post in WordPress? Okay. Post or article in the left side, you will find a post. What is that? What is post in WordPress? What is the difference between pages and post in WordPress? What is the difference between pages and post in WordPress? Coming to the 21st one, what is the preview post in WordPress? Okay, preview post in WordPress. What is a preview post in WordPress? Okay, then 22 one, publish in WordPress. What is publish? There will be right side, in the right side you will find a button called publish. Here you will find a button called draft. Here you will find a button called preview. Then what is publish in WordPress? The next part is difference between preview. As I told you, difference between preview and publish. What is the difference between preview and publish? The 24th one, list view and grid view in WordPress media library. What is the difference between list view and grid view? What is list view? What is grid view in WordPress media library? 25th one, what is pages in WordPress? We have learned, we have a question called what is post in WordPress. Now it is what is pages in WordPress? The difference between pages and post, we have already covered that. The 26th one, how many types a media can be uploaded to WordPress? How many times? For example, video, for example, image, like that. How many times? How many types of media can be uploaded to WordPress? The next part, 27th part, what is WYSI WYG editor? What is WYSI WYG editor? Okay, what is this editor and what is the purpose of using the editor? 28 part, what is tag in WordPress? As we learned, what is category in WordPress? Similarly, what is tag in WordPress? 29, what is slug in WordPress? Slug in URL. What is slug in WordPress? The next part, the 30 part is what is link in WordPress? What is link in WordPress? Then a separate video I have made already, comment moderation. Okay, comment moderation. What is that comment moderation in WordPress? 32 in the user part. What is role of each user in WordPress? So we know that there are rules. There are users like administrator, editor, author, SEO manager, store manager. What are the roles of each of the user in WordPress? Coming to this 33 one, what is theme management in WordPress? What is theme management in WordPress? 24th one, widget management in WordPress. We have learned a separate video called widget. What is widget management in WordPress? Okay, 35 user management in WordPress. Similarly, user management in WordPress. 36 what is avatar in WordPress? What is avatar in WordPress? The profile picture. What is avatar in WordPress? Then what is import in WordPress? What is export in WordPress? Okay, import, export. The next one is what are the popular plugins in WordPress that generally a basic WordPress website use. The next part is what is theme editor in WordPress. What is theme editor in WordPress? So here I have gave you 40 interview questions. How many 40 interview questions? Probably you have noted all this, or else you can repeat this video again. So these 40 interview questions interviewer may not ask, but this will add some enhancement to your knowledge. Okay, however, this is a vast concept, but still on my experience we have seen that still on my experience we have seen that questions from this set, the prepared set, will come definitely. So if you prepare this, you will get a chunk of good result in your hand. So hope this will be helpful for you. Hope this video is helpful for you. We'll be back on the next video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.